What's going on, guys? I've been trying to get hired as a developer, and since nobody wants to hire me as a developer, I have made a decision that if I can't be hired as a developer,
no one will be.
I'm just kidding, guys. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of transcription services pop up, though. You know, like upload your podcast, auto captions, meeting summaries. They're kind of just like popping up, you know, like weeds. And so I kind of kept thinking, how hard can it be to make this stuff? I mean, you got people paying like $10 a month to use it. And so I'm just thinking, if people are paying for this, but there's so many services that it almost seems like it's very easy to do, maybe people shouldn't be paying at all. It turns out, all you really need is a CPU. In order to transcribe audio, all you really have to do is use OpenAI's Whisper. The technology has already been developed and it's actually something that's licensed under the MIT license. So what I've set up here is a folder with audio and models. Now under models there's nothing yet, and under audio I have set up a test wave, and in this wave it's me saying the words, "Hello, this is a test." So all I have to do now is decide what model to use. Now I'm going to use the GGML small model because it's not too big and it's not too small, and the results are actually very good. So I'm going to download this model into the models folder. And once that's done, all I have to do now is download the repository for Whisper and build the program. We can do this by simply cloning the repo, and then we can go into the Whisper directory and type make. And once Whisper has been built, I can already start using the CLI. I can do this by calling the Whisper CLI from the build folder and then linking it to the models that I have here, and then the audio test file. And you can see that the result of it tells you that between 0 and 2 seconds there is the text, "Hello, this is a test." And that's it. No API keys, no subscriptions, and no external services getting your data. It just works, and so why are we actually paying for these services? Well, that's really it. We're paying for the beautiful package that is the interface that allows us to upload the file and view the output of it. So technically, I could just call this from within ASP.NET and start charging people on a monthly basis. I mean, you can really just do it any way you like. You can even do it in Python. Right? Like, all of this stuff is just a program running on your computer, and then you're selling it to other people to run the program. So if you wanted to make money today, there you go. The real problem that this highlights is that most AI startups are actually just making SaaS services around open source models. They're not really trying to do anything innovative or interesting. But it does work. You do get money for it. And so you really start to question whether you should be doing the same instead of complaining about it on the internet. But hey, that's up to you to decide. I wouldn't go out there and pay for any of these services, and when somebody comes up to you and says, "Hey, I would like to help you integrate AI into your workflows," just know that they're basically just doing asset flips, but then with models. Here's the proof that it actually works. I'm currently generating live transcriptions for the video you just watched, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to summarize this to make a video title, description, and a series of tags. Obviously, I don't even need to use ChatGPT for this. I can just host my own model using LM Studio.